Distributive property. A binary operation star and triangle defined on the set S, then the operation star is said to be distributive over the triangle if for all S, Y, Z belongs to us S. So with the distributive property, we will use two operations. So please take note of that. We will use two operations, right? As for the distributive property, it was just one operation, right? So the distributive property, we use two what operations. So here we have star and what? Another operation sign a triangle. So we are saying that if S star times Y triangle Z equals S star Y triangle S star Z, then the operations is what? Distributive. That's what we are going to say. Now, let's illustrate something here, demonstrate something here. So, this is what? My paper, a cut out paper. Yes, this is my cut out paper. So from here is A and from here is B, right? Now, I have another cut off paper. Okay, here is A and the whole of there is what? C. Okay, now we are saying that how to find the area of a triangle, right? A times B, all right? So A times B plus, so I find the area of a triangle of my cut off paper, A times what? C. That's why we got AC. Now, if you put them together, we put the cut off paper together. Yeah, so I put them together. So now my A is here, like we said it, obviously A is here. And it's what? I said the green part was B and this one was C. So I want to find the area of the both of them. It's A times B plus C. So therefore, we will get the same answer. So if we get the same answer, we are saying that this is distributive. Okay, so we say that therefore we can say that the multiplication is distributive over addition, as easy as that. So distributive property, let's solve some example on distributive property since we are done with the demonstration. The operation is defined by A star B is 1 out of A times B. So now this is our definition. Okay, if A equals 4, B equals 6, and C equals 8, evaluate this. Instead we should evaluate it. What conclusion can you draw from their answer in I and II after evaluating? So conclusion. So they say we should evaluate this. Okay, solution. So by definition, this is my definition. A star B equals 1 out of what? AB. So this by definition, and we said that A equals 4, B equals 6, and C equals 8. So anyway, see A push forward, anyway, see B, that's it, as easy as that. So this is what we are going to use. Now, this operation B plus C, okay, like I said, we saw the one in the bracket first. So we know that we can substitute. Our A is 4, B is 6, and C is 8. So let's solve the one in the bracket first, right? So for operation, this is what? 14. So you add one, you get what? 14. Good. Now, from the definition, we know that A operation B is 1 out of what? AB. Now our A here is 4, like the way you're doing with commutative, and our B here is what? 14. So therefore, 1 out of 2, AB. So we say A is 4 times what? 8. Therefore, our final answer is what? 28. Let's move on to the second one, II. This. So for this, let's substitute. Our A is 4, our B is 6, plus A is 4, our C is 8. So from here, 4 operation 6. So now our 4 here is A, our 6 here is B, right? So we put this one into the definition here. We get what? 1 out of 4 times 6 plus here. So we just now our 4 here is A, our 4 here is what? B. So we just substitute it again into our definition. So this is what we get. So if you simplify further, you will get this. Therefore, our final answer is 28. Yes, so you can say they are the same. So they said we should conclude since this 4 star this 6 plus 8 equals this. Therefore, the operation is distributive over the operation plus. So operation star is distributive over the operation plus. Okay, so know how to conclude it. Example 2 on distributive property. So this is our example 2. A binary operation, triangle, and star are defined set out of real numbers by S operation y equals 2 times S plus y plus 3sy. So we have two definitions here. Then S star y equals 2s plus y. Evaluate this. Comment on your results in it. I and II. Solution. Then by definition, here we have two definitions, right? Good. So we are saying this is the two definition. Hello. And then the next definition. So here we have triangle and star. So when we see star, we just use this one. And when we see the triangle, we just substitute this definition. So we are saying that this S triangle Y, this is the definition for it. And S star Y, this is the definition for this. So let's solve for I. S triangle times Y star Z. Like I said, we always deal with the one in the bracket first. What mass? Okay, bracket first. This has not what mass, but bracket first. Okay. So now from here, our definition star, right? So we use this one. Since the star is here, we use the second definition. So now our y here is what? It's S. So our S here is now Y. And our Y here is now what? Z. So this one is S, Y, S, Y. So anywhere you see S, just substitute Y there. Anywhere you see Y, just substitute Z there into this equation, the second equation. So it will be what? S triangle. So we are saying Adina. So now we said that our Y is S. Our S here is now Y, right? So it's what? Bracket open 2y plus what? Z. That's what you say. Anywhere you see S, just put y. Anywhere you see y, just put Z. As easy as that. Now, S triangle Y. So yeah, the triangle at the middle. We are there. So we use the first definition. So our S just S. So yeah, S the same as S here. And the whole of this is our Y, right? Plus Y. So the whole of this is our Y. So in the definition, into the definition, anywhere you see S, just put S there. Triangle. Anywhere you see Y, just put the whole of this there. So like I said, there's a triangle here. So we are using the first definition. So 2, so the first definition, right? 2 times S. Our S is still S. Plus Y. And we said the whole of this is our Y. So plus 2y plus Z. Good. So 2 times what? We said the whole of this is what? Our. We are using a triangle, right? Good. So S is first. So S plus 2yz. So we said the whole of this is Z, right? Okay. Then plus 3s. You say our S is now what? It's still our S. And times what? Our Y here. You say our Y here is what? The whole of this, right? So that's what? 2y plus Z. Good. As that. So just know how to substitute it. Then you go away. So then let's simplify. So for the simplification, we are multiplying 2. Yeah, so we multiply the whole by 2. This is what you get. Plus, they're multiplying this 3s times 2y, then 3s times what? Z. So that's it. Okay. Can we simplify it further? No. So let's solve for the b. This is our b. Now, so we will deal with the bracket first. We have two brackets, so let's start from the first one. Our S operation this triangle y. So we use for the first definition, and S operation y the same as this, right? So we just repeat that one there, straightforward. Because we know that that's the same S operation y the whole of this. Now S operation the triangle here, operation sign triangle here, Z. So here, what I've changed here? Our S still here. Z have y have changed to what? Z. So whenever you see y, just put Z there into this definition. So it will be 2s plus z bracket cool plus 3s z. Okay, but z is just no more y. So this operation is good. Now we have the whole of this star this. So we are going to use the second definition. So the whole of this now our s, and the whole of this is our star. Okay, so the whole of this is our s star, and this one is our y. So the first one s star y is defined as what? 2s plus y. So now this is my s, and this is what? My y. So I've just substitute into the second definition. So it's 2s. Let's say our s is the whole of this. So it will be 2. Our s is what? The whole of this. So we should write the whole of this, right? Yes. As easy as that. Plus y. And we are saying that our y is this. So plus this. As easy as that. Now let's simplify. So we just let's multiply the one in the bracket first. So 2 times this, we get 2s plus y. So it's still the 2 is outside. So we are simplifying the one inside. Okay. So plus this. So this shall multiply. Now these two is multiply the whole of this. So it becomes 4s plus 4y plus 6sy. Okay. So now we can simplify further. Okay, you can go to items here. So 2s plus this 4s plus 2s. We have anything here? This one. So I think that one can be simplified further. So as we group item 2s plus or 4s plus 2s, that one can be. So therefore, our final answer is 6s plus 4y plus 2z plus 6s. Now we are comparing with this one. Okay. So your comment C. Or see, we should comment on your answer. This and this are they the same? To me, it's not the same. So to you, is what? Since S operation Y equals this, are they the same? Since this one is not equal to this, then the operation is not commutative. So since S triangle this is not equals to this, then the operation sign is not distributive over addition. As easy as that.